Let's face it, whether you're hunting for a new job, aiming for a promotion, or just refreshing your professional image, your headshot matters. It's not just for LinkedIn, it's your digital business card for resumes, company profiles, and even Zoom calls. But here's the catch. Blurry selfies and outdated photos scream, "I'm not ready." And let's be honest, no one wants to schedule a pricey photo shoot just to look polished. What if I told you that you could upgrade your headshot game without breaking the bank, or even leaving your desk? In this guide, I'll show you how to transform your everyday selfie into a professional-grade business headshot using Supawork's AI-powered tool. In just a few clicks, you'll have a headshot that screams confidence and professionalism, perfect for impressing recruiters, bosses, or anyone in your network. Let's dive in and make your next career move picture perfect. First, head over to Supawork's AI Professional Headshot Generator. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to get started. Click this button to open the tool. I'm preparing to create a male AI headshot, so I'll select male. There are plenty of styles to choose from. I want to change my professional photo in LinkedIn in the new year, and I want it to have a daily office atmosphere, so I'll go with the office theme. Click Next, and here we can choose an age range. The default age is too young. I would choose a slightly more mature age range, so I'll select this option. My hair color is black, so I'll choose that. Glasses? No, I'm not wearing any. I'll skip that. Next, we need to select ethnicity. I'm a typical white American, so I'll choose this category. Now it's time to upload a photo. There are examples below showing the right kind of photos to use. That's helpful. Click Upload Images. I only have a selfie on hand, so I'll use that. Alright, now let's click the Start button below to see what happens. The AI will start analyzing the photo and use it to generate professional headshots with similar facial features. In just about a minute, it's done. We've generated 6 AI headshots with an office background. These two photos is too cold-toned. Oh, this one looks great. A perfect frontal shot with a pretty clean background. It looks professional and is just right as my LinkedIn photo for the new year. Next, I'll click the download button to save it to my designated folder. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can click Generate again and repeat the steps. It's all completely free and doesn't require registration. Okay, here are the results I've generated for your reference. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. I'll glad to see you in the next video.